Good morning everyone. Welcome to another Monday class in our YouTube from Chartwell. This is me, Miss MC. Do you remember me? Yes, of course you did. Now, happy Monday. I hope that you guys are doing fantastic. I hope you had an amazing weekend and enjoyed our scavenger hunt a lot. We'll be telling you the results from that shortly. Now, um, today we have English class, a wonderful English class. And as you know, every Monday we have English, a couple of videos, two different topics. We have spelling first, and then we're going to do some comprehension activities, all right? And we're going to have a lot of fun with that. Then we're going to do some art. Yeah, I have some special art plans for you. So I hope that you enjoy this video a lot. And we're going to start with our spelling list because every week on Monday we receive a spelling list. Now kids, I want you to be really serious about studying your spelling words because on Thursday's Zoom class we're going to have a little quiz, okay? All right, so I want you to practice, okay? So this little spelling list that I have prepared for you is a little bit different, okay? I'm going to make myself smaller and put me on the corner so that you can see me and see what we're working on, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you spelling list number 4. As usual, I would like you to write these down and practice them as you spell them. So let's go ahead. The first word is pelvis. Pelvis. P-E-L-V-I-S. Pelvis. Number 2, skull. Skull. S-K-U-L-L. Ribs. Number 3, ribs. R-I-B-S. Ribs. Number 4, ankle. Ankle. I hope you can see it nice. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. Number 5, wrist. Wrist. W-R-I-S-T. Wrist. Number 6, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Number 7, humerus. H-U-M-E-R-U-S. Humerus. Number 8, radius. R-A-D-I-U-S. Radius. Number 9, ulna. U-L-N-A. Ulna. Number 10, height. H-E-I-G-T. Height. Number 11, invade. I-N-V-A-D-E. Invade. Number 12, iron. I-R-O-N. 13, gold. G-O-L-D. 14, tribe. T-R-I-B-E. Number 15, luxury. L-U-X-U-R-Y. Number 16, invasion. I-N-V-A-S-I-O-N. Now before I go on to what you're going to do with the spelling list, I want to clarify what these words mean, okay? It's very important in spelling not only to write the words, but actually know what they mean. So let's start with the first word, pelvis. Do you remember when we studied science? We studied the skeleton, and we did a lot of diagrams on it. We saw a YouTube video on it, and in our last science Zoom class on Wednesday, we studied that again. So as you may have guessed, words number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all different body parts. Actually, they are all different bones in the human body. I know you know what a pelvis is, okay? It's connecting your legs with the rest of your body. The skull is the bone on your head that covers your brain and also gives shape to all of your face. Now, your ribs are a series of bones and cartilage that cover your lungs, and they're really hard here on your stomach. Ankle is the joint that connects your foot with your leg. Your wrist is the joint that connects your hand with your arm. Your wrist is right here. Your shoulder is another body part that connects your arm with the rest of your body, and it gives you the opportunity to move it around in all sorts of directions. Now, the humerus, the radius, and the ulna are special names of bones that we studied our last Zoom class. So, you should have your notes, and you also have some links on the skeleton body parts and the videos that I have sent you. So if you want to know which is which, you have to check those videos and make sure you're learning what we are studying in class. Now, the following word, height, what type of word is that? It's a noun. It refers to how tall a person is. For example, my brother's height is 56 centimeters. Invade is a verb. When we studied history, we have been studying a lesson about Julius Caesar and how he invades Great Britain. Do you remember? Okay. Now, iron is another material that we studied in history. Iron is the material that they use to make coins and other types of structure. Now, gold, we studied this last week in a comprehension class about 3 little girls. We did this during our Zoom class. Gold is a very valuable material that is worth a lot of money. Tribe also comes from a history class. When the Brits were invaded, we studied how they had tribes called the Celts. Luxury refers to something that is worth a lot, like gold, for example, or like olive oil when the British were trading things with the Italians when they were invaded. And invasion is very similar to invade, but they are different types of words. An invasion is a noun. It is a thing. So you can say things like, for example, Julius Caesar made an invasion to England. Or you can use it as a verb. Julius Caesar invaded Britain. Well, those are 2 ways of saying the exact same thing, but they are not the same word. Okay. Now, listen closely, guys, because there is always an activity for you to do. You have now the words, you know how to spell them, and you know what they mean. What are you going to do now? Well, today's activity is really cool because I want you to draw a human skeleton and identify the words 1 to 9 on it. It is something that we've been studying for quite some time in science, so you should really be a pro. I want to see those drawings. So I would like for your parents to upload an image to our folder and show me that beautiful drawing of your skeleton and all the parts that you identified on it. You can also show me this on Zoom class when we see each other on Tuesday, tomorrow. Okay. So, I also have in this file for you to practice. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday, you're going to be able to do this during our class. You're going to save this list on Thursday so that we can do our online quiz via Zoom class. We're doing this on Thursday, okay? So don't forget that you have to study and you have to practice. Okay, guys, that is the end of this video for today. Right now, I'm going to show you another video. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. Bye-bye.